Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, your Android phone is tracking and listening to you. How do you turn this off? But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you're wondering if your phone is actually tracking or listening to every conversation or everything that you're trying to do in your phone, well, the simple and correct answer to that is yes. Now, usually your phone or other services inside your phone actually use this data to, let's just say, recommend certain products or give you ads or personalize your experience inside the app. But for some people, they don't want that. They don't want their phone or those services to actually listen to what you are trying to do inside your phone. So typically, in order for you to turn this off, you need to visit your settings. So in this case, open up your phone, go to your settings here, and you want to go and first access what we call privacy. Now, generally speaking, anything that you are doing inside your phone is kind of like tracked by your phone by default. So maybe like for example, whoever like manufacture your phone, maybe Samsung, Xiaomi, or whatever brand it is, well, typically you need to visit your privacy here just to manage your data. Now, in here, what you need to do first is you want to look for some options here. So we want to look for ads. So let's go and choose ads. Now, inside ads here, as you can see, we have ads privacy, resetting your advertising ID. So first thing you want to do is you want to go and click on reset advertising ID, click on confirm. So basically it replaces your device advertising ID. Now, just to give you some information, this will actually change up how certain products are being recommended. So if you don't want to have, or if you don't want to get recommendations further inside your phone here, go and choose reset advertising ID. But if you want to delete it completely, you could go and just click on delete advertising ID and click on delete advertising ID. Now, in order for you to get personalized ads again, you need to get new advertising ID here, but we are good for now. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and choose the option for usage and diagnostics. And you want to make sure that this is actually turned off. So basically, usage and diagnostics here are just some information that's happening in the background in your phone is being sent to improve Android device experience or improve the device itself. So if you don't want to send that data, make sure to turn that off. Now, from here, another thing that you may want to visit is going to be Android System Intelligence. Now, this is just like additional thing. So if you go to keyboard here, basically it shows smart reply. So basically, if you are trying to type something, like if you're saying a specific word every time, your keyboard would actually suggest that word as time goes on. So if you're using like but at the same time, or you're using whatever word that you like to say, well, sometimes your keyboard would actually suggest that. So that's what's happening right now. So you may want to turn this off so that your keyboard is not keeping track of what you're saying. So yeah. So another thing that you may want to visit here is going to be Google. So again, you want to go to your settings here and look for Google. Now, inside Google, you want to go to all services and you want to go and scroll down a bit here until you see the ads section. Now, this is the same one as what we visited before, so you just need to visit ads here just to make sure it's turned off. And also, you may want to go to usage and diagnostics. Again, turn this off. So if you haven't turned this off before. Also, you may want to look for what we call the personalize using shared data. So if you click on this one, this will show all the apps that's currently using your data and basically sharing it on different apps. Now, basically, it's used or your data is being used to further improve the service itself. But if you don't want to share your data, just make sure to disable everything that you are seeing in here or for the apps that you don't want to share your data. But yeah, so those are the things that you may want to do here to basically make your phone a bit more private so that your phone is not listening to you. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.